2020 upgrade to LM design, but the best selling one is this kit, which already shows on the floor. The kit including in the front grille, front bumper, side skirt, chrome parts, and the bumper brackets, bonnets, 3-lens LED headlights, tail lamp, and the rear bumper. The only difference of the two optation of the body kits is the headlights and the tail lamp. We have our design for the 4-lens LEDs and the tail lamp, which with the function of breathing and moving. Because of the sold off of the 4-lens LEDs, so we will show you next time. Easy installation for the headlights, just plug and play. Available for both 2015 to 2017 and after 2018 years. We are the only supplier that have the decoder for 9 type car models. No matter for older Alphard 2015 to 2017 or 2018, China version 2018, Hong Kong version 2018, Japan version, we have professional team work out all the car models that available for the worldwide market. One more important thing is that our 3-lens LED headlights is 40% more brightness than the original car. So if you install these headlights to your cars, you will find this really amazing shining and wow. It's just said that the car is available to 2015 to 2020 Alphard mode. By the way, we have another design for the Wechat 2015 to 2020. So if you have interest or questions, just send our questions to our sales. We will give the fast feedback for your reference. Our advantage is not only we have the professional team, design team, and the technology, we have also support the better service. We have cooperated with the modification shops, garages, trading companies, dealers in all worldwide markets, for example, the Japan market, Hong Kong market, Malaysia market, and the Indonesia market. And when our customer with installation problems, we will send the faster installation guidance by video remote. I hope today's video will give you more information and know this product better. If you still have any questions, just send the your questions to our sales department. We will give you faster feedback once we receive it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and get the latest news when we update. Thank you very much for your watching. See you next week.